Hi, Sabrina.
Hi.
Would you like to go to South Korea?
Yes, please.
Okay.
No more fucking around. Yes, please.
Let's go do that then. We're boarding.
Get your...
Oh shit, there's a corner.
Damn, I need that for a vending machine.
Oh my god.
Claw machines where like you put a person in
Oh
a
yeah.
harness and you like grab as much shit as you can.
But that's
That shit
brilliant.
looks so fun.
I would definitely do that.
Human claw machine with money in it.
Dude, do you know what? I feel like that's something we could do. I could operate the claw machine, and if you just grab, we'd be set.
I do. It's like I have like my long lanky arm.
Yeah, dude, and I'm really good at operating like a claw.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, we've got this.
Dude, we could get so much done.
Dream team.
Honestly. I love how every time we do claw machines, it's always like, oh, here's my dollar, get it for me. And then you do it, and I'm just sitting there like, yeah.
We're going to South Korea.
Get situated, sister.
I just really wanted to document this moment, like just take a sec and be like, we're actually on the plane to South Korea, we're gonna do it. We did it. Yay! High five. Bye-bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're now descending to Seoul Incheon International Airport, and the cabin crew will be preparing the cabin for landing. You ready? Welcome to Incheon, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you who live in the Seoul area, welcome home. Local time, 20 minutes past 12 in the afternoon. It's a safety requirement that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the cat has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Mobile phones and the handheld electronic devices may not